everyone and welcome to today's Qigong video. Recently I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys asking me to share a video to help support the normal function of the thyroid. I know it's a very big and complicated topic and there are many reasons to thyroid related problems like stress, work overload, lack of sleep. So I would always recommend to seek an advice from a medical practitioner. However, when it comes to Qigong, there are a few exercises and a few kind of self-help tools that you can do to maintain a healthy thyroid. So I'm going to share a few of them in this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up nice and tall and relax your whole body. So the thyroid and parathyroid glands are located at the front section of the neck. So in this video, we're going to focus on opening and massaging and stretching the front of the body, especially in front of the neck. So the first thing, when you're bringing hands together and rub them gently until they feel nice and warm. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Can take 30 to 60 seconds, depends where you are right now. But when your hands are nice and warm, we're gonna open the front of the neck and massage gently, top down. You don't want to apply any pressure or squeeze. You just want to gently stroke the front of the neck. Imagine as if your hands are like cat paws, very, very soft. Very good, last one. And relax. Already bring your awareness to the front of the neck, sending love and appreciation to your thyroid. And then the exercise that I'm going to show you, it's called the turtle. Helps to stretch the front of the body and the back. So we're going to place the hands on the lower belly. First, lean forward. The head stays above your hips and lengthen through the front of the body, as if a turtle coming out of the shell. Then bend your knees, roll back, tuck the chin to the chest, and then as if you're coming out the eggshell, lengthen your head, lengthen through the neck, reaching upwards, so your neck feels nice and long. Then lean forward again, extending. Soften, round forward, chin to the chest, and then slowly lengthen through the neck. Carry on at your own pace, forward, soften, up, reach up. You're getting a full massage. The muscles of the neck and the muscles along the entire spinal column. Very good exercise. But here you want to focus on the front of the neck. Gently extending, reaching, and then softening, relaxing. Up. Be gentle on yourself. You don't want to do it too much or push yourself too hard. Allow your body to guide you. Whenever it feels comfortable, it means you're doing it right. Just be mindful of your neck mobility and always extending within your comfort range. Forward, down, Chin to the chest. Up one more time. Stand up nice and tall. Relax for a moment. Then move your hands to the back. Let them rest on the lower back. And I'm going to go in reverse. So first, let your head drop down, low between your legs. Lengthen through the back of the neck, maybe even down your back all the way. Then roll forward. And like a turtle, we're going to extend this way. Then stand up and look up, lengthening through the front of the body. Then move your head down again, lengthen through the back, and go forward. Extend. Look up, just the neck, move down. Keep your knees slightly bent, extend. And carry on, continue at your own pace. The breathing on this one is inhale as we go up. Exhale as we soften and contract. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Think of yourself as a turtle. The turtles move very slowly, very gently. So you want to genuinely keep the same attitude when you're working or dealing with the neck especially. And last one, down. Extend and stand up. Relax. Relax your arms. And feel the sensations. Observe your body, especially the neck and shoulders. Check out the front of the body, front of the neck. But also be mindful of the back, down the shoulders. And down the entire spinal column. Feels nice and warm, lots of kind of awareness and space. And then by now your hands should be really warm. I hope they are. We're going to finish with a massage as well. This massage helps to increase metabolism as well. It's actually quite good for speaking. So if you're in a public speaking job or you see a lot of clients, you can take a few minutes for yourself and do this self-massage anytime. Very good. Relax your arms, relax your head and neck, relax your whole body. And let's finish with a nice full breath in. Open and then exhale, soften. Very good. Take a moment here to reflect and observe. Notice how you feel and send love, appreciation to your thyroid. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this routine. I have a full routine related to thyroid on my membership site. So if you're interested or if you're looking for a routine like this to help you maintain a healthy, functional thyroid, you can check it on my membership site. I'm going to put the link up here for you so you can go straight there. And if you like this video, if you want to support the channel, consider subscribing, share with your family, share with your friends, so we can grow this online community and practice together. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching and see you soon.